touch our partner's base, same as normal, and we put our mind under the ground. Then we squeeze the fascia a little bit, and as we let go of the pressure, you want to invite the Akasha in to the space from below the feet to above the crown, and just defabricate everything in that space. So let it release and open everything up. Now, I took the pressure off, but I've still got my thumb just connected to the inside of this middle line in here, so that I've got access to his system. And I just pressurize the Akasha in. And then when I'm ready, I look above his crown and I release everything up. Once I've got that open, I spread it out horizontally. And then in all directions. Take your time accumulating Akasha below your partner's feet and above their crown. Put them in the bubble as you accumulate. You might spend 10 seconds to a minute accumulating, and then when you open the crown, burst the energy through the crown. The greater the speed and volume of energy, intensity moving up through the crown, just that in itself clears. Once you've opened it, then you support releasing with your mind and just keep stuff going and cleaning and clearing. But that initial surge has a strong effect. You're going to notice everyone's different. When I do that to myself, it feels totally different to when I do it to my partner. It's a unique energetic pathway for each individual. And you do it on more people, what's happening is you paying attention to how it's affecting them is releasing the like frequency inside you. So you're clearing yourself unconsciously without even knowing it, because you're so inside of releasing those frequencies in them, and your ability to release them means you've increased your ability to release yourself. So the more people you do this release on, the higher your skill set becomes in relation to your own ability to enter into Akashic trance. And that mirror effect is quite profound. So you've got access to a lot of people that are open. You should practice this on every person in the room as many times as you can, because that's going to reflect in your own ability to open yourself up for meditation practice. Now, the ritual for opening the crown, when I start practice, I move from here and I just flip my hands over, and then I'm in Akashic trance. And it's just as simple as touching the knees, rolling the hands over. It's discreet. And I add to that, am I about to teach? I open the Akashic library of what I'm about to teach. So the information becomes cognitive and I'm aware of it.